To tighten your toilet seat cover, you can follow these steps. Locate the bolts. Lift up the toilet seat cover and locate the bolts that attach the seat to the toilet bowl. They are usually at the back of the toilet bowl. Tighten the bolts. Use a wrench to tighten the bolts. Turn the wrench clockwise to tighten the bolts until the seat feels stable and secure. Use pliers. If the bolts are difficult to turn with the wrench, you can use a pair of pliers to hold the nut underneath the toilet bowl in place while you tighten the bolt. The seat. Once you have tightened the bolts, test the seat by sitting on it and moving around to see if it feels secure. If it still feels loose, try tightening the bolts a little more. Check regularly. To prevent the seat from becoming loose again, it is a good idea to check the bolts regularly and tighten them as needed. By following these steps, you can easily tighten your toilet seat cover and ensure that it stays securely in place.